Hey, CC.
What go man, sir?
I'm there in New York now. We can club now?
Yeah, man, anytime you're ready, man. Just let me know.
Alright, meet me in that city.
Yeah.
Freckle. Straight. Alright. CC.
Hey! Hey, honey, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
If you don't mind, first of all, your art is beautiful.
Thank you.
All right, so we're vloggers. We're just trying to go around to find out from people, if they've ever procrastinated, put anything off. Are you one of those people? Have you ever?
I am. I'm like a big person of procrastination.
Wow, why? Why is it so?
I don't know. It's just something that's like, I find myself like, for instance, like with my art, I procrastinate doing my art and like my acting and everything. It's just, I don't know, I just get lazy.
Oh.
I get very lazy sometimes. And then sometimes I gotta like remember that it will start when I start.
Wow, I love that.
It will start when I start.
Can never start before that, huh?
So it will never finish until I start.
Exactly. So that's a mindset you developed. Then you started, doing this because this looks really good, though.
Thank you so much.
This is art.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
All right. So keep on doing what you're doing.
Thank you.
And don't stop, because if you stop, it will stop. Remember.
Exactly.
All right.
It will stop.
All right. It's a up. I want to ask you a quick question. Have you ever put off a dream or a goal before, ever in your life?
Not yet.
Not yet.
I take that back.
What is it?
Joining the army.
Oh, really? So you still want to join it?
I think I do.
Oh, okay.
I'm a little too old. But I should have done it, but I didn't.
Why?
I got scared.
You got scared.
A lot of people around me were telling me not to do it.
Oh, okay.
It's the biggest regret that I have.
Okay. Well, you seem pretty young and you still have time, so you planning on doing it?
I think I am.
All right.
Now that I'm talking to you, I think I am.
All right. Thank you, man. Have a good day, okay?
All right.
Do I procrastinate?
Yeah, do.
I think we all do at some point.
All right. Can you give me an instance where you have and you
No, not off the top of my head. I mean,
Not much of a procrastinator.
yeah.
well, that's great.
I'm not.
Is she?
But wait, yeah,
How did I know?
He's not.
He's not and you are. Oh.
she's not. I'm not. She's got that gene from me. But
Okay.
I say at some point in my life we all have.
Yeah. Okay. Well, it's good though. It's good that you don't do it a lot,
Yeah, I'm usually try to get it done. But
Okay.
especially unless it's a big expensive purchase, and then I may procrastinate way too long.
Hey, Mr. Trump, what's up? We're doing a recording.
Oh, we're gonna recording?
Yeah.
Where you from?
I'm from Jamaica.
Not much is up. How's it in Jamaica these days?
It's great over there. It's warm.
You're warm.
Yeah.
Would you rather be here or you rather be in Jamaica?
I'd rather be in Jamaica.
Oh, well, me too. As long as you were gonna be there. It's huge. Huge. Okay?
All right, Mr. Trump, can I ask you a quick question?
Sure.
Have you ever procrastinated before?
Procrastination is the curse of the nation. But I'll tell you more about that tomorrow.
Okay, all right. Just give me an instance where you procrastinated.
Well, I didn't go to Jamaica thinking about you.
Okay, so you think you're gonna go one of the days?
Another day I'll go. Maybe.
Okay.
I'll think about that tomorrow.
All right, Mr. Trump.
Smurfy,
have you ever procrastinated before?
Hell yeah!
Why, Smurfy?
Yeah, when you're taking a shit in a public bathroom, you think twice. You think twice.
Hey, why do you do it? Why do you put off things?
I don't know. Lazy?
Being lazy.
Maybe knowing the fact that you can put stuff aside and then doing it later. That's what I don't think. Like homework. I don't know.
Are you a procrastinator?
Depends.
So what have you ever procrastinated about?
Cleaning the house.
Why?
Because usually it's big, it's a task, and you're like, wait for later. So usually when it's a big task, you kind of like let it wait something you're excited about, like buying a new pair of shoes.
Oh, I see.
Procrastinate on that.
Okay, all right. Thank you, ladies. Another real thing that I've procrastinated about though is, you know, doing my master's. You know, I got my degree in Jamaica, and then, you know, I came here a few years ago and I wanted to do it, but then, you know, I got pregnant, which was no real excuse because there's everything over here to do to go back to school. But, you know, I kept putting it off, saying, you know, when my husband comes, you know, he'll help me with the kids and blah blah blah. Then I realized, hey, how long am I gonna wait? So I decided that, guess what, education is very important. So, you know, I enrolled in school, and, you know, I start school next month, which is May. All right, so don't procrastinate. You have your dream, just go get them, because, you know, you're not getting younger. All right. For real, man. Procrastination is a sin. It seriously is, you know. I mean, you have to always remember that, you know, every day you wake up, you know, you're a day older, and you know the older you get, you know, the chances are highly likely, you know, for you to, you know, not be able to do certain things, you know. So, you know, I'd say to you to do it within the moment, you know. Take care of whatever you have to take care of now. There are things that are, you know, you know, you have to do them within a timely manner, but you know, even so, you can start now. If it's not something that you can start now and accomplish tomorrow, start working on it now, because, you know, if you don't start, then it won't start. I'm going for the camera, goodie. Alright, so, you know, I'm on YouTube at CC Lane 876. It's CEECEELANE 876. Facebook, Nothing But the Truth by CC Lane. IG, it's CC Lane, CC_C_Lane. And Snapchat, it's ChrisCorn_87. Just follow me, you know, I have all the good stuff in the phone.
So basically, we come to the end, right? So my back home. Okay. Yeah, man.
So it was really nice working with you today. You know, I enjoyed the city. I've been here for quite a few years, and this is my second time here, thanks to him. You know, it was a good day. Yeah, it's really good.
I can see fire burning up inside. Touch the flame, don't turn away. I need you, know it's you. In your eyes I can see fire burning up inside. Touch the flame, don't turn away. I need you, know it's you.
Do you procrastinate for your dreams and goals?
Definitely.
No.
Of course. Yes.
Never.
No.
Yes, I have.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm a professional procrastinator. I procrastinate all the time. I definitely do. I'm a last minute kind of person. In fact, I actually just did my taxes yesterday.
And the deadline is tomorrow.
The deadline is tomorrow, yes. I knew I had to get it done, so I did it.
I believe it's safe to say that we are all guilty of the habit of procrastinating at some point or another. But why?
Just life. Different things come up. You change your mind. You flip-flop a little bit. And then, yeah.
I didn't know if I wanted to become a makeup artist, or I didn't know if I wanted to continue being a nurse.
Because I'm a man with 5 children, so I got to the point where I'm either gonna put my dreams first or responsibility as a father.
Financial reasons, because being realistic, idealistic is not really the way of America, because sometimes you have to give up on your dreams because you have certain obligations.
Like most times things don't go how you plan, so you have to like
Never believe in myself, so I could do it.
Why?
I don't know. I always doubt myself.
And why? Sometimes I feel like there's always a better time. I guess I prefer pleasure. So I'll choose pleasure over getting stuff done immediately.
Whatever the reason is, remember, it is an excuse. An excuse does not bring results. So I'm suggesting you make the choice to start working back on your dreams and on your goals. Until next time, like, share, comment, subscribe, or whatever you do, choose